Welcome to Dwayne's Simple Good Health. Breakfast is like a warm-up for your body and brain. It gets you ready for the day ahead. Think of it as putting fuel in your tank after a long night. When you eat breakfast, you give your body energy to wake up and get going. You can concentrate better at school or work. You'll also feel less hungry throughout the morning. Skipping breakfast can make you feel tired and grumpy. It can also be harder to focus on your tasks. Eating breakfast helps you stay on track and feel your best. So remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. It sets you up for a happier and more productive day. A healthy breakfast gives you the right nutrients to power through your morning. It should include a good mix of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Think of foods like porridge with berries and nuts. This gives you slow-release energy that lasts. Eggs are another great choice, packed with protein and important vitamins. Whole wheat toast with avocado is a tasty option. It provides healthy fats and fiber to keep you full. Yogurt with fruit and granola is another delicious and nutritious choice. Remember, a healthy breakfast doesn't have to be boring. There are plenty of tasty options to choose from. Some breakfast choices can do more harm than good. Sugary cereals, pastries, and sweetened yogurt can give you a quick energy spike. But this is often followed by a sugar crash, leaving you feeling tired and sluggish. These sugary treats lack important nutrients. They don't keep you full for long, leaving you craving unhealthy snacks later on. Highly processed breakfast sandwiches or greasy fast food can also weigh you down. They lack the nutrients your body needs for sustained energy. Please show some love to Dwayne's Simple Good Health. Making healthier choices in the morning will help you feel better and avoid those energy slumps. Choosing a healthy breakfast sets the tone for the rest of your day. It helps you make healthier choices throughout the day. You'll be less likely to reach for sugary snacks or unhealthy options. Start your day with a balanced breakfast. Include foods like whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and lean protein sources. Remember, a little planning goes a long way. Prepare your breakfast the night before or have some quick and easy options on hand. By making the right choices in the morning, you're investing in your health and well-being throughout the day. So start strong and stay strong with a delicious and nutritious breakfast. Thanks for watching.